Hello everyone, I'm Anand and I build coremap. When I work with Codex or any other LLM on real code base, the biggest problem is that it reads way too much code. Most of it is not even relevant to what I am actually trying to do. It wastes token and gets confused, and it still sometimes misses the important parts. Coremap solves the basic version of this problem really simply. You give it any repo and it turns the whole thing into one clean single file that any LLM can easily read. What we can do using it is read and analyze any repo within seconds. Using an LLM, we can basically get help from browser-based LLMs regarding any bugs or features. I build an npm library for it. This is a command you can use. Just a second. So this is my previous project. Um, its name is Kite Desk. I'll run it here. Just a second. Now you can see the repo is now ingested into a single file. Now any LLM, whether it is Codex, Cloud, Cursor or whatever, can just read this file and understand the project much better. There will be no more need to dump the entire repo. Okay, so this solves a major problem. Like we can ingest any GitHub repo and get whole context about it. Whenever we need to like fix bugs or add new features, we can get context about any new project easily. So this is the really powerful part. When you have a specific task like fixing a bug or adding a feature. Okay, so I'm telling coremap to fix the payment timeout bug in the checkout flow. So it doesn't just compress everything, it intelligently looks at the task and picks only the exact lines of code that actually matter for this specific job. Now let me run one command, npm run demo. Okay, so look at this. Um, just a second. So yeah, see, it went from 432 tokens to much less context, around 55% less tokens with using to 192. So with Codex using it, Codex was able to fix it correctly and all the test cases passed. It didn't guess, it proved that this small amount of context was actually enough. This receipt shows exactly what was selected and why. This is the real difference. Most tools just make the repo smaller. CodeMap gives you verified task-specific context. Now, why does it matter? Now I can work much faster with Codex or any other coding agent. I spend less money on tokens. That's the whole game in the future. It's going to be the like when we talk about token economy, the agent understands the code base quicker. I can find and fix bugs more accurately. Now I don't need to re-explain my project every time in the new chat starting session of the Codex. Codex can remember the context from the previous work. Okay, so it will not spend their time and energy into re-finding and collecting the context about the repo in which the Codex is working. So it's a developer tool for the Codex.